Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OWCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was at the start of the day and then where the price closed up there, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very, very nice move on the day. However, that does lead to the valid question, though, of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of kind of knee-jerk reaction? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at the previous breakout point, give or take right around 54 cents. Why is 54 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 54 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back. I'm not saying it will, but just for example's sake, pulls back, behaves in this manner before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation here? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have overall stair steps heading in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying, quote unquote, make progress as 54 cents. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built, then overall the chart will take care of itself, and part of quote unquote taking care of itself is breaking areas of resistance. So focus on building higher stair steps, higher lows, and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.